Students might find the various tools available in the toolkit to be very helpful to them. Simply clicking on the toolkit gives the students a selection of different courses and those course tools to choose from. For example, Algebra 1 students might find it very helpful to have a calculator and a conversion chart. Biology students might find it helpful to have a calculator, a periodic table, a formula chart, and a conversion chart at their disposal. The list goes on. Use the toolkit if it will help you in your course.